Okay, today's fountain pen unboxing is the Conklin Duraflex Demo. Just started shipping these out this week. It comes in a nice gift box, traditional Conklin logo and coloring. You open it up and get your first look at the demonstrator pen. In the box, you'll see you get your general information about basic Conklin information. This little insert is advising you that the Omniflex Nib is now available. And this pen we're looking at is actually the Omniflex. And then it also comes with some fountain pen refill instructions, which is handy. And then up top here, settled in the top there, is information about this particular pen, the Duraflex Demo. And underneath in the false bottom, you'll find you also get two ink cartridges that come with this pen, because this pen does take the standard international cartridge and also comes with an eyedropper, which we'll talk a little bit more about later. But this pen also comes with a converter. So this is the Conklin Duraflex Demo. Give you a look at it here. It's a really nice pen. It's new in the popular Duragraph line of pens from Conklin. It has a similar cap and style, but it does have this flat top cap, and it has the Conklin Estimate 1898 logo etched into the top of the flat cap. It's got silver trim. The resin is handmade and obviously clear. It's a screw-on cap. And also in the cap around the band here, it does have the traditional Conklin with the crescents and the Duragraph, the collection. So that's nice. It does post really easily and firmly, which is nice. It feels good. It's a good weight, good balance. You probably won't be able to get a really great look at it, but this is the Omniflex Nib. All your Conklins that ship out now are your new Joe nibs. And depending on who you talk to, I may or may not be saying that wrong, but that's last I heard it pronounced. Also, right here on the barrel, the Duraflex name is etched in there, along with limited edition and the number of your specific pen, because this is a limited edition pen. Okay, now to look a little bit more closely inside here. So as we said, it does take the international standard ink cartridge, the standard international ink cartridge. It also comes with the converter here, so you can fill it with any fountain pen ink that you'd like, as long as it's safe for use with fountain pens. And as an added bonus, Conklin did make this particular pen able to be used as an eyedropper pen. So if that interests you, we're going to go ahead and walk you through and show you how to use this pen as an eyedropper pen. But we'll start off by showing you that you just take it apart. You want to take the cap off, and you can unscrew the barrel off just like we did previously, but you're also going to go ahead and unscrew your converter. And you'll want to set this converter aside, stored in your pen box or in some other safe place, because you won't be using it. If you're using the pen as an eyedropper, you'll want to set this aside and save it for later. And then you will use this barrel, and you're going to fill it with ink. So let's go for it. you have the benefit of, you know, seeing your ink in the full pen, and it's a lot of ink, so this will last quite a while. Let's give it a go. On some paper, let's see how she writes. Again, this is the Conklin Duraflex Demo with a medium nib, and I just filled it. You just saw me fill it, so let's give it a go here. Okay, let's try it again. I let it sit for a few minutes to see if it just needed time to let the ink settle in. Let's see if this is, yes, that's what was needed. So let's give you a writing sample.